Well, owner's manual. Oh, there's an app. Check that out. The Tuya smart app, so you can actually control your door remotely. So if you got a delivery showing up and you want to make sure it's not sitting on the porch, you can open the door. Oil bronze. That looks good. Then you put your finger right there. Don't even need to remember numbers. Don't have to have a key. You have an app to open the door, your fingerprint, the combination, and a key. So you'll never be locked out of your house again. Electronics here, so I'm kind of guessing that this is probably going to connect to Wi-Fi. Don't know. Let me do the reading. Let me do the research. Let me do the install. I have a couple of doors. I do have a couple doors that need locks. So I have a couple doors over there that need locks. I have one over there that already has a deadbolt. It helps if there's less background noise when you're doing the install, because it talks to you, and it's real. If you've got bad hearing and music and stuff, you won't be able to hear it. Very simple to set up. It installs like just about any other deadbolt. It's not ideal for this situation because it's got the thumb screw here, but for this video it'll work out great. Ideally you wouldn't want to have that on hand. You can accommodate up to 8 different user profiles. So you can do like 4 sets of fingerprints and 4 password numbers, or 8 different fingerprints. I have it set up so that it matches my fingerprint, or I can enter a number.
Unlocked. Locked.
Takes 4 AA batteries.